Hello, my name is Sam, and today I'm talking with Lou. Hi, Lou.
Hi, g'day, mate. How are you?
Hi. Yeah, I'm good. How's it going with you?
Yeah, pretty good here. Thanks.
Awesome. Lou is from Australia, but she works in Japan. And today I'm going to ask you some questions about jobs and working. Is that okay?
Yeah, sure. Go for it.
Awesome. So, what do you do?
I teach English and
Okay.
I've been doing it at university level for a while now. But in the past, I've taught students of all ages, starting from very young, from toddlers of maybe 2 years old or 3 years old, to senior citizens who'd retired.
Oh,
So,
wow. So now you're a university teacher.
that's right.
So how long have you been doing that?
I started teaching at university in 2009.
Oh, sorry, I might have cut out a little bit there. Are you still there?
Yeah, I'm here. I started
Okay.
teaching at university in 2009.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah, about 11 years. Okay, nice. And so I guess you like it?
Oh, very much. Yeah.
Yeah. Why? What do you enjoy about it?
Well, I love languages. I love learning them myself. And I love helping other people to be able to do it. And I think in universities in Japan, I meet a lot of students who've come through the education system here and have not had loads of opportunities to communicate. And when they get to university, they start to turn that around and they build upon the skills that they gained when they were in junior high school and high school. And they gain a lot more confidence as communicators. And I love helping them with that.
That's very nice. Did you always want to be a teacher?
At first, when I was much younger, I wanted to be a lawyer. And I'm so
Okay.
glad I didn't do that. I think it would have been really boring and I wouldn't have met. I mean, I wanted to work in criminal law, so I definitely wouldn't have met great people like I do in my current job. So I think I made a good choice.
So why did you choose teaching instead of becoming a lawyer?
Well, when I was much younger in primary school, there was a teacher who I really admired called Mr. Leslie. He was my teacher in grade 6,
Okay.
and I really wanted to be like him. He made it so much fun to go to school.
Yeah.
But I got a bit sidetracked when I was in junior high school and high school, which in Australia we would just call high school. We have
Okay.
6 years of secondary schooling.
Okay.
And the students were not so good to the teachers then. And I didn't want to be treated like that myself and thought, why would I do that kind of job? There's no respect. And
see.
I got very much turned away from it. But I circled back.
When you were a bit older, you
Yeah, when I
decided
was older. That's right. Yeah.
Okay. So thinking about when you were a student, a high school student or a university student, did you have a part-time job?
Oh, I've had so many part-time
Oh,
jobs.
really?
Yeah, loads of them.
What kind of things?
I worked as a waitress in an Italian restaurant, and I worked in a factory packing up
Oh,
videos of sporting videos, Australian
okay.
rules football videos. It
Okay.
was like the Amazon of the old days. And I worked as a telemarketer, which means I had to call people and interrupt their day to try to sell them something. It was the
Okay.
worst job ever.
Do you think it's good for students to have part-time jobs?
Oh, yeah. You learn a lot of things, not only about the jobs that you do, but how to interact with other people. And you learn the value of money too. You understand how long it takes to earn money, and that helps you to appreciate money itself.
All right, cool. Okay, well, we're coming close to 5 minutes, so I'm going to say thank you and goodbye. And yeah, thanks so much for talking with us again.
All right. Thanks, mate. Bye.
All right, see ya. Bye.